Hi guys, Reggie here, and today I'm going to show you how you can replace your wall scone using a thrifted basket. When thrifting for your basket, find a basket that catches your eyes. It doesn't matter what color or shape it is, as long as it has a flat back that can be mounted on the wall. Using a utility knife, you are going to make a hole through the bottom of the basket where you want the light fixture to be, or the bulb holder. Be sure to use the right or the good utility knife to avoid damaging the basket. Now let's do some electrical work. It's very easy, don't worry, but I would advise, if you really don't have a clue, don't attempt to do it. Just call an electrician akusaidie. But if you have your baskets ready, this is the easiest part. If you have decided to go down this road, let's do it together. So when you remove like the old scone, if you have one, you will find two cables, a red and a black cable. On your holder, it is written L and neutral on the termination point. Make sure the red cable goes to the L and the black cables goes to the N. And that's it, as simple as that. The only thing I will say, make sure you tighten the termination point. Finally, we are going to add our new wall scone and also add the bulb. With just a little bit of effort, some electrical know-how, you can create this unique and stylish wall scone that will add a touch of personality to your room. So go ahead and be creative. Remember to follow me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!